In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find hidden files in Google Drive. Welcome! Whether you're trying to locate misplaced documents or uncover files that seem to have disappeared, I'm here to walk you through each step of this simple process. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open your web browser and head over to the Google Drive website. Make sure you're logged into your Google account. If you're not signed in yet, go ahead and do that now. Once you're logged in, you should be on your Google Drive main page where you can access all your stored files and folders. Now direct your attention to the top of the page, to the search bar. This is a powerful tool that will help us in finding those elusive files. Click into the search bar. Next to the search bar, you'll notice a filter icon, which looks like 3 lines converging. Click on this filter icon. This will open up a menu with a number of filtering options that we can use to narrow down our search. You'll see an option labeled Type. This allows you to select the specific type of file you're looking for, such as documents, spreadsheets, presentations, forms, and so on. Choose the file type that matches what you are searching for, or simply leave it blank if you're unsure of the exact type. Next, let's look at the Owner field. This can be set to search for files owned by you, shared with you, or owned by a specific person. If you're looking for a file you own, select Owned by Me. If you're searching for a file shared with you, choose Shared with Me. And if you know the file's owner, you can specify that here by adding their email address. Moving on, we'll focus on the Item Name section. If you remember part of the file name, type it in here. But if you're not sure about the name, don't worry. Just leave it blank and we'll use other filters to assist in your search. Under Location, you can specify a folder where you suspect the file might be. But again, if you're unsure about the exact location, you can simply leave this option untouched. The Shared To field lets you find files shared with specific individuals. It's especially useful if you're trying to locate a file that was shared among a certain group of people. Type in the email of the person with whom the file was shared, or leave it blank if that information is unavailable. Finally, once you've filled out as much of the filtering criteria as you can, press the Search button, and Google Drive will sift through the files to find what you're looking for. And there you have it. You've now learned how to use Google Drive's search functions to uncover hidden files. Using these filters can save you time and help you retrieve those files that aren't immediately